Hello, I am Thinev. My last bird was about Sri Lanka's purple. Today I'll be talking about the crested hawk eagle. It is also known as changeable hawk eagle. Is a medium-sized eagle with massive rounded wings. Appears very small-headed in fight. Inhabits forest edges and expansive parks and plantations. It is a typical hawk eagle in that it is an agile forest-dwelling predator and like many such eagles readily varies its prey selection between birds, mammals or reptiles as well as other vertebrates. Crested hawk eagles' calls are like Guiana's is much paler with cleaner white underparts and less extensive striping and varying anywhere on the body. Birds show a wide range of variation in plumage, from pale to dark, varying with molt and age, giving rise to the name Changeable. In my trip to Udawalawa National Park 2 years ago, I have seen 5 crested hawk eagles and one of them were up very close. It wasn't scared because of its size. In fact, it's exactly the same size of me. Thank you for watching the Birds of Sri Lanka with Thinev. Stay tuned for my next video about the Lotan sunbird.